What is Frontline Fast? The name says it all. Dent Wizard's Frontline Fast program is designed to get your vehicles reconditioned and frontline ready fast. Frontline Fast is a multi-service program developed to streamline, simplify, and expedite the reconditioning process for your pre-owned inventory. This program is ideal for any dealership wanting to increase their bottom line. We developed Frontline Fast because we understand that every day a vehicle sits on your lot awaiting reconditioning, that vehicle depreciates in value. So instead of calling 6 to 7 vendors, scheduling 6 to 7 technicians, submitting 6 to 7 invoices, with Dent Wizard, you have one vendor, one process, and one invoice. By consolidating to one vendor, we can reduce the time it takes your vehicles to become frontline ready, completing repairs and getting vehicles to market in under 48 hours. This saves you time and increases your profit per vehicle. But every dealership is different, which is why Frontline Fast is fully customizable to fit your dealership's specific needs. From our services offered to our setup on your lot, we can design the perfect solution for you. And if you'd like to see an example of a Frontline Fast setup on a lot, keep watching to see both a large scale and small scale setup.